The Universitat Rovira i Virgili fully identifies with the United Nations Agenda 2030, and it aligns all university action to its Sustainable Development Goals. The URV has campuses in Tarragona, Reus, Vila-seca and Tortosa, a centre in El Vendrell, and affiliated teaching, technological and research institutes. The URV teaches 49 bachelor degrees, 52 master's degrees, and 25 doctoral programs. A total of 11,362 students are enrolled on bachelor's degrees and 1,472 on master's degrees. The URV Foundation's Lifelong Learning Centre teaches 73 of its own postgraduate courses and other lifelong learning courses with 4,168 participants. There are 1,207 doctoral students, and last academic year 154 doctoral theses were defended. The URV spends more than 25 million euros on research, and last year the research staff had 1,399 indexed publications included in international databases. In terms of transfer, the URV Foundation manages 318 projects with 190 companies and institutions and has an annual turnover of 4.9 million euros. People are the capital of the URV and the driving force behind all its activity. At present, the university has 3,004 employees, 2,134 members of the teaching and research staff, 717 members of the administration and services staff, and 153 members of the URV Foundation. The URV has officially joined the Aurora Universities Network, made up of 9 European universities that are well positioned in the leading rankings. Aurora also guarantees the URV a greater role in European decision-making processes and a joint part in European Union programs. As far as rankings are concerned, the URV is the second Catalan and Spanish university and the 78th in the world in the list of best universities under 50 years old, according to the 2019 Times Higher Education Young University ranking. The URV is also between 500th and 600th position on the academic ranking of world universities, one of the most prestigious rankings. The URV has also entered the QS World University Ranking 2020 between positions 701 and 750. The URV aims to reinforce the relation it has with society by adopting ethical principles that seek a fairer, more integrating society committed to the values of equality, sustainability, participation, transparency, and the common good. We also aim to reach all parts of the region. At present, the classes for the elderly are active in 23 municipalities, where 1,600 people attend courses. The URV's extended campus also has centres in 14 towns, where about 500 activities take place throughout the academic year. Last academic year, URV students were given more than 8,300 grants and subsidies of various types, for a total value of 12 million euros. One of the mainstays of the university model is inclusion and equal opportunities. The URV's aim is that no one who complies with the academic requirements will be unable to study because of lack of resources. One of the goals of the URV is for our graduates to be able to find work, and particularly work that is related to the education they have received. Every year, more than 100 companies take part in employment forums on the campuses in Bellecens, Ses Calades, Vila-seca, and Terres de l'Ebre. The employment area has created the module Finding Employment, which must now be taken by all students. And this academic year, a new optional subject, Tools for Entrepreneurs, is also available as a pilot program for students on technological courses. The aim is for it to be implemented gradually in all degrees. We are also sensitive to more global issues. One example of this is the unanimous decision by the URV's Senate to support the Climate Emergency Declaration and its commitment to the struggle against climate change. With all this activity and the commitment of the university community, the URV is home to everyone. It is familiar and welcoming, the place where all people can access education and culture.